Good morning. I've got another exciting day today with Supercar Driver. They have asked me to write for the magazine, as you may already know, and today I'm off to Bramley Cars to go and drive an SLS AMG. So I'm up early again. This is an ongoing theme. I'm just trying to open the gate, excuse me. This is an ongoing theme, but up early, over to Guildford, 9:30, and Riyadh and I are going to be doing a piece for the magazine on the SLS AMG. So without further ado, I'm going to jump in the car and see you there. Cheers. So as you've seen from earlier in the video, Supercar Driver have asked me to write for their magazine, and asked me to come out to Guildford today to Bramley Motor Cars to do one of my first dealer drives. This one's a bucket list one. It's a car that I've loved for a long time, and it is the SLS AMG. As you can see from the background, we found a nice spot for some photographs. I'm going to get the drone up in a minute and take some really good drone shots. We found a nice place to do that, and I'm enjoying every second of it, and I'm really looking forward to writing about this car. There's a lot to talk about, and it's a real special day, so I hope you enjoy the video. So today another bucket list day is upon me. I'm in Bramley Motor Cars SLS AMG, and just look at this interior. This ivory interior is beautiful. Very similar to the inserts in the Jag, but I really like it. Just got to be so careful with it. It's on about 20,000 miles. It's mint condition. It sounds incredible. Very different to the C63 actually. More different than I thought. Much more planted, a lot stiffer. The engine and the gearbox are a lot more uprated. The gear changes are so much quicker. And I'm just about to take it up and down the road and have a bit of a go in it. I'm going to do some tracking shots for the magazine. Genuinely fallen in love with this car. The interior and the colour actually isn't dissimilar to the Jag. We've got a really nice flecky bluey green actually. There's a bit of a green in this now we've got it in the sun. But the interior is absolutely perfect. That ivory, those ivory seats are so nice. There's an element of this that does look a little bit dated. Typically looking at the dials, but it just gives it a bit of class. And I love that brushed aluminium, or the matte aluminium. And to start it up and to hear it is just such an event. Compared to the Mercedes, the C63 I had, the engine is very different to drive. There's a lot more power, suspension is a lot stiffer, and the only thing I didn't like about my AMG was the gearbox, and they have nailed it with this. It's a lot quicker, a lot sharper. You get a lovely blip on the downshift. I'm just in love, absolutely in love with it. I just think it's absolutely perfect. Come to the end of my time with Jack at Bramley Cars. We've had a really good morning in the SLS. You can see how much we enjoyed ourselves, hopefully with the video. So I'm going to have another look around here, show you a few more of the cars in the showroom, and I'll catch you again soon. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please like and share, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.